Hey there, quick review on this Black & Decker Jigsaw. This is a 5 amp jigsaw with curve control or orbital action. I'll show you some of the key features of this jigsaw and talk about what makes it different from others. This jigsaw is going to be great if you're a homeowner, do-it-yourselfer, weekend warrior. They're great tools at a price point geared towards people who are not using the tools professionally day in, day out, but still need a quality tool for their project. This jigsaw has some premium features that you would typically find on higher end jigsaws. Let's start with the orbital action. They call this curve control. Let's look at some of the features of this jigsaw. With a 5 amp hour motor, it's got plenty of power. It's going to handle whatever you want to throw at it from a power standpoint. One of the premium features is the orbital action, or what they call curve control. Now, there are a couple different settings in the way that you can cut with a jigsaw. A standard cutting setting would be with the blade moving straight up and down. That is going to cut a little bit slower, but there is a way that you can actually speed up your cuts, and that's with an orbital action. And that makes the blade actually pivot as it cuts. That will allow you to cut faster and cut smoother lines going around a curve. Now, one of the premium features on this jigsaw is the curve control or orbital action, which you see right here. Now, what this does is it gives you a couple different options on how you're going to cut your wood. With a typical jigsaw action, the blade is just moving straight up and down, and that works just fine. It is a little bit slower method of cutting, and there's a way to speed up your cuts and make your cuts more aggressive with a jigsaw, and that is with a orbital action. So what this knob here does is it allows the blade to actually go up and down and orbit a little bit. And what that is it allows the blade to cut more aggressively. It'll cut faster. And whenever you're cutting curves, it allows you to kind of get around curves a little bit better. So this is a premium feature, and it makes it a little bit easier to do certain tasks. Very easy to adjust that orbit setting, going from no orbit to high orbit here with this knob. And to show you here, we're on no orbit right now. So the blade is just going to move straight up and down. And I'll put some orbit on it. Now you see this piece in here oscillating more. That's going to allow the tool to cut faster. Another premium feature is the blower located up front here. That's going to take air movement that's created by the motor, and it's going to blow it out the front. What that does is it blows the sawdust away from the area where the blade is cutting so that you can see the pencil line that you're trying to cut along much easier. If you don't have that, a bunch of sawdust will just collect around the blade and it makes it hard to see what you're doing. So the blower feature on the front of this is really nice. You also have the ability to hook up a vacuum hose on the back side of this jigsaw right here. You can plug that in if you want to remove some additional sawdust as you're working. Changing the blade on this jigsaw is very simple. It's got a lever right here. You pull that forward, the blade will pop out. You want to install the blade, again, pull it forward, and it locks right into place. This is variable speed, so you can start slow and go fast. And again, with that 5 amp hour motor, it's got a lot of power. Let's talk about the adjustable base. If you want to cut a board at an angle like so, you can move your base so that it matches the angle. There's a simple bolt down here. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips head screwdriver, either one, and loosen that up, and it'll slide forward and it will allow the base to pivot. So if you need to cut something at 45 degrees, you can do that. There's also etching here telling you what degree you're at, 45, 22.5, 0 degrees as you move it around. It also has indentations here so that it'll kind of auto detect which angle you want. There I'm at 45, as you can see. So that's a nice feature also. Then you just take your screwdriver and tighten that up. Overall, nice jigsaw, perfect for your do-it-yourselfer homeowner. It's going to have plenty of power, and it has those premium features built into it that are going to allow you to do whatever task you're going to need with your jigsaw.